Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm sharing with you a packing video on the jujube Be Packed in Butterfly Forest. Hey guys, so when I did my first look video of all of the bags from the January release from jujube, ton of you wanted to see this bag packed up. I think this was the most requested packing video out of that launch. I received tons of messages, tons of comments, tons of everything on this bag. So I was actually surprised. This was not the one that I thought you guys were gonna wanna see the most of, but it was one of the bags that I was most excited to pack up for you guys. So I think the last time I shared the Be Packed on my channel was this bag. It was in sushi cars. So this was a while ago, a good couple months, maybe going on a year. I'm not sure when sushi cars launched, I can't remember. But this is the older style Be Packed. The only difference between this style Be Packed and the newer style, if you would, Be Packed, is the bottle pockets on the side. So the old Be Packed had one mesh bottle pocket here on the side. This is my son's, he still uses it like a ton, but it has one bottle pocket here on the side. It's like a mesh pocket, and then there's no pocket here on the side of the bag. So everything else as far as the Be Packed goes is exactly the same. But the newer style Be Packs, the past, I guess, couple of bags, I can't remember when they changed this up. Maybe Queen's Court was when they did that. But this is the first Be Pack I personally have since they changed the bottle pocket. So on the side of the Be Pack now, you actually have two bottle pockets. You have one here, and then you also have one over here, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, because you can just fit more in them. Obviously you can fit 2 water bottles or whatever you're gonna have on the side, and I just think that the function of the bag is better with those 2 pockets. So, but I think when I did that packing video, it was packed up for preschool, but it was forever ago. So I'm excited to kind of pack this one up. I have it packed up for just everyday running errands. I have things for the kids in here, and then I have it packed up for like a regular day out for me, like running errands, and I'll show you guys what I mean as I get into the bag, how I have it packed up, and I'll explain that as we go. On the front of the Be Pack, you just have one pocket here, and it has 2 little mesh pockets on the inside of the bag. So in here, I just have a package of wet ones, and then things that I would grab for myself throughout the day. I just have like a hair tie and a chapstick. I also have a hand sanitizer in there. And then I also have over here in this mesh pocket a pen. And then I have a small package of gum. This is like a Trident pineapple gum, super yummy. And then I think that's all I have inside this mesh pocket here. Then on the side pockets of the bag, I just have a couple of snacks for me. Like I have a granola bar. I also have a package of salt and pepper cashews. Just in case like I were like running errands, get hungry. Sometimes I forget to eat breakfast, so I normally just like throw a granola bar or something for me. I don't have anything over here in this side pocket because I would throw in like water bottle or whatever on my way out the door, my whatever tumbler I'm using for that day. These pockets do fit a pretty big size water bottle in them. There's a nice elastic here at the top. There isn't any pockets or anything on the back of the bag. At the top of the bag here, you do have a really awesome grab handle, and then you do have a zipper here, which is a felt line tech pocket. Inside that pocket, I did throw my cell phone in there. 9 times out of 10, I'll have this just in my pocket or whatever, but besides that, I don't have anything else in that pocket. Opening up the inside of the Be Packed, you have 2 zippers that go down to the midway of the bag here, so it opens up kind of halfway there, and then you have 1 zipper pocket here on the very front of the bag. This zipper pocket only goes, I would say maybe like halfway. It's not a very big pocket, and you can't really fit much in there. What I have tucked in there is my phone charger, just in case I need it kind of when I'm out. And then I just threw in a couple of loose Band-Aids. This bag is packed up like for me out and about running errands, and then if I were to have the kids like in the afternoon. So it's kind of designed for both. So I have stuff for me here on top, and then I have stuff for the kids in the back and on the bottom. So like if we were to go out to dinner at night, or if I have them in the afternoon, obviously when I get them from school, I want to make sure I have stuff for them and then stuff for me running errands during the day. So it packs up really well like this. I like how I have it. Right here on top, I just have the Luminaire large set piece in the Ever Collection B set. And I have everything I need for me in here for like running errands. And I went ahead and I put the large set piece strap on here so I can go ahead and just grab this and go, and not necessarily have to bring the backpack if I didn't want to. So in here, I just have everything that I need, like a small clutch or a purse. Like I have my wallet, which is like a small set piece in the Whimsical Whisper. I also have my keys down in here, and then I have my hand cream. This is a Perfectly Posh hand cream. And then I have my more lip products. I could go on, but I don't know that you guys want to know every little thing that's in there, but you guys can certainly look in there and see everything that I have. It's just a couple of pens. I have a pill case. I also have a little like perfume roller, and then you guys get the drift. So it's basically like my little on-the-go mommy type clutch. Anything that I would need for myself is inside here. I love the way Luminaire matches with Butterfly Forest. It's my favorite pairing. I also really like, which I don't have anything packed up in here in it, but of course, the olive is like a perfect match with Butterfly Forest, especially because of the black hardware. And then the black noir print or color matches really well, obviously, with it too, because it's all black. But the reasoning that it's not my favorite is because of the rose gold hardware. It just is too bright and flashy, I think, up against this Butterfly Forest. So these two are like my absolute favorite with Butterfly Forest. I think they look so, so good. So I just happen to really like Luminaire for whatever reason. Like with these butterflies, I just think it looks so good. So I had that packed up in there with it. Then right here behind it, I just have a package of Kleenex sweat wipes, and then I have my simplified weekly planner. Then right here at the very, very bottom of the bag, just laying horizontally in there, I have a Be Dapper, and I love Be Dappers for on the go. I'll show you one second what I have in there because the backpack will fall once I take out what's in the back here. Inside this elastic pocket here in the back, I just have a little Mad Libs book. This is a diary of a wimpy kid. My oldest loves to do this when we're like out to eat or whatever, kind of keeps him busy. And then I just have a couple other busy books. I have some stickers. I also have, this is like miscellaneous. I have these back here. My youngest has been loving these. My mom got them for him for Christmas. They're like wipeable little writing books. This is like this is a #1. He also has an ABC one, and the pen actually I have inside this Be Dapper, but they're wipeable, like traceable letters and numbers. He actually really, really likes those. So nothing else back down in there, but it works out really well because like I said, I have all their stuff in the back and at the bottom, and then my stuff is right there on top. I can grab what I need and I'm good to go. So that's what I have packed up inside this Be Packed, and I love it. I just think it works really well. And then inside this Be Dapper, which I wanted to show you really quickly, inside this front zipper pocket, I have pens for my daughter, and I have the marker that goes with these wipeable books. And then inside this big kind of section of the Be Dapper is all their activity stuff. So I have like Paw Patrols and like Wiki sticks. I also have my son's little activity VTech phone thing that he got for his birthday. I also have down in here a couple of these little books and coloring books. I have like a joke book that my oldest son's been liking to read. And so all of that fits really well down inside this Be Dapper. I love Be Dappers for like activities and all of that. I need to do like a multiple ways to use your Be Dapper. Now that I have a couple of them, a lot of you have been asking for that video. So that's gonna be coming up soon because I've been using these like crazy, and I really, really like the way that they pack for tons of different things. So that's what I have packed up in this Be Packed. I hope it gave you guys kind of an idea of how you can pack yours, and then kind of show you how I have this Butterfly Forest all packed up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I will talk to you next time. Have a great day, guys.